Which standard? 8th standard. What is your project name? Which?
Acid rain.
Acid rain. What are the side effects of acid rain?
They are the factories harmful gases get mixed in the atmosphere, which is harmful for us for respiration, and it gets mixed into the atmosphere, and due to which acid rain is created. These are things which get killed by the acid. Through the vehicles also, harmful gases get mixed into the air, which is very harmful for us, and humans are main cause for the acid rain.
Do you know where the acid rain is happened in India? Who made this? How we stop the acid rain? Planting the trees.
We have restored the air pollution.
Air pollution. Good.
And myself, Anujan Masagadi. Our project name is wastewater treatment and transfer technology. Wastewater in the residential area is water is compared for the first stage, and the first stage is big pebbles. Big pebbles help in filtering water. Big pebbles help in filtering water, and research also show that the big various types of filter use the big pebbles is valuable for the filter water. The second stage and the third stage is coal. Coal is so ideal for the purification of water because it is remove the toxin from water, and without the separate the salt water and any important minerals.
Okay.
The fourth stage contains
Which method is the good? We are using the arrow plant in our home. Is this good or this one? Which is the good for our health? Do you know that machine comes in the market? We are using it.
RO purifier, Kent water purifier असतं घरामध्ये बसवलेलं. ते चांगलं का हे चांगलं? Which is good for our health?
ते काय कुठलं वापरायचं? ते वापरायचं का आपण हे वापरायचं? कोणतं वापरायला पाहिजे आपण?
Which is better? चांगलं कुठलं? हेल्थ
बेस्ट कुठलं? हे का
ते
तिचं म्हणणं आहे.
इलेक्ट्रिक.
तुझं म्हणणं आहे. ते चांगलं नाही कारण त्याच्यामधले जे मिनरल्स आहेत ते आपले संपतात. आता ह्याच्यात जसं तू सांगितलं याच्यामध्ये आपले जे मिनरल्स किंवा जे सॉल्ट जे आयोडीन वगैरे आहे ते संपत नाही. व्हॉट इज द ड्रॉबॅक ऑफ दिस मेथड? त्याचं म्हणजे डिसएडव्हान्टेजेस काय की आपण ते का वापरावं हे का वापरू नये? बिकॉज इट इज अ टाइम कन्झ्युमिंग. वी डोंट हॅव दॅट मच टाइम. But if you want the pure and natural water, then this method is the good for us. Okay? Good.
This is pollution working model. Because of factories, so many pollutions are there. That made us, and there are no industrialization. Nowadays there are everywhere industries, and nowadays the pollution are happen due to the industries, and some pollution, some advantages and some disadvantages are there of industries. Due to industries, air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution are happen. Air pollution, in industries there are some chemical process and that are harmful, which contains the harmful gases like carbon dioxide and sulfuric dioxide, and it is thrown in it mix in the air of atmosphere, and our atmosphere become polluted. When factories started the water pollution, they store the water inside the factory and then throw in the river. That river get polluted. When one farmer give the water to any farm, that crop also destroyed and land get polluted. It is a land pollution. When humans do the land polluted, plastic do not decompose. So when we throw the plastic on the land, that will not decompose, and because of
how we reduce this land pollution?
We should not throw the plastic on water or on the land. We have to dispose it
Good. What is this? Do you have the heart?
Yes.
Here. What is the function of that?
Heart is pumping. Heart is pumping the blood every time.
Okay.
It
This is the pulmonary artery. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the function of that?
It pumps blood.
Which blood? Oxygenated or deoxygenated?
Oxygen.
Oxygenated. Pulmonary artery. What is this pulmonary artery? Which blood this pump blood? Oxygenated blood or deoxygenated?
Oxygen.
How many arteries do you have? Lots of it. I'm major. What is this? Bohr's atomic model. Who was the Bohr's?
You also said
How many postulates he told to you? How many postulates are Bohr discovered? Do you know postulates meaning? Okay, tell me what is this?
this is the first atomic model of atoms of carbon which have electron configuration. This is new series. There are protons and neutrons.
What's your standard? 8 standards. ऍक्च्युली 8वीच्या वर्गाला नाहीच आहे, हे 12वीचं आहे. बोर्स ॲटॉमिक मॉडेल तरी पण सांगते चांगली गोष्ट. This is the nucleus, na? So can you tell me the why electrons are only revolves, protons and neutrons are not revolves? And why? Okay, these are present in the nucleus, but only electrons are revolve around the nucleus. Why? Why protons are not revolve?
क्लोज कर.
Inside the cell. Why only these are the inside the cell, nucleus? Ask your teacher, त्यांना म्हणायचं फक्त इलेक्ट्रॉनच का फिरतात,
ओके.
प्रोटॉन का फिरत नाही, है ना? प्रोटॉन पण फिरायला पाहिजे ना, पण नाही फिरत, का फिरत नाही? These are the subatomic particles of the atom. Am I right? Only electrons are revolving. Do you know the weight of electrons? No. Good. So ask your teacher why the electrons are only revolving and the protons and neutrons are not.
Soham,
Which
close the
charge
window.
the neutrons have?
Neutrons are electrically neutral.
Electrically neutral. And protons?
Okay.
Protons are positive charge. Electrons are negative.
Ask your teacher if she or he don't tell you. Ask me. Okay. I will tell why electrons are only revolving around that. What is this?
Periscope.
Periscope. What is the uses of that?
Submarine. In the submarine, there
What is meant by submarine? Panburi. Have you seen? No. So how it work?
Periscope. This is a periscope. Periscope and two window and inside two mirror.
Mirror or prism?
Yes.
Which one?
Mira.
Mirror.
Mirror.
Sekarang tak kok buku dia.
Yes, I can see it here.
Structure of periscope. Periscope is a one long tube and welded in two shapes.
Okay. Tell me only which functions of light is work in that. There are so many things, light's phenomenon. No? Which phenomenon is happening in that? Reflection, refraction,
Reflection of light.
reflection of light. So do you know the meaning of reflection? The difference between reflection and refraction. Do you know? ते पण 8वीचेच आहेत तसं.
हो,
Yes, yes.
8वी.
म्हणजे ठीक आहे, माहिती तर आहे. आता हा 12वीला आहे. ठीक आहे, लेक्चर. गुड, व्हेरी गुड.
ओके.